If you're tired of choppy gameplay, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate Windows settings to squeeze more performance out of your system. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe or I'll steal your RAM. First, we're going to tackle game mode. This is a Windows feature designed to prioritize gaming resources. Click on your Start button, open Windows Settings, click on Gaming, and then Game Mode. You'll want to make sure that this is turned on. This helps minimize background processes that focus resources on the game you're playing. Now let's optimize your graphics settings. Go back to the main settings page and click on System and then Display. Scroll down to Graphics Settings and if you have a newer graphics card, turn on this hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. This will improve latency and performance. You should also add your games to this list. Select either one of these buttons to add either a Microsoft game, Microsoft Store game, or a desktop game. Click the button, go to the drive that contains your games, and select the exe file for the game you want to add to the list. There you can see it added it to my list. Let me know in the comments what settings you adjust for your system's performance. You'll also want to adjust your power plan on your computer. So open your control panel, go to Hardware and Sound, and select Power Options. You should see the option for high performance. If it's not there, you can add it with Create a Power Plan. Make sure this is checked. Finally, you should disable unnecessary startup programs. Programs running in the background eat up resources, and if you don't need them all the time, you should turn them off. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open up your task manager. Select the Startup tab and look at this list of apps that you have on your computer that start up when Windows does. Here you can see if they're enabled or disabled. Disable any of the ones that you don't need running all the time or right when your computer starts. Just make sure you don't disable anything that's vital for Windows to run properly. By tweaking these settings, you should notice an improvement in your system's performance. If you like this video, make sure to check out these others. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.